Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Yeah, I hope all of you will be fine. Okay, the reason why we don't learn in our classroom like usual is because nowadays so many people are infected by coronavirus. So the governance states that all of the students, they should be learning in their houses, not in the classroom. So that's why I uploaded this video containing the material as our learning process. Okay, so make sure that you bring your books. Okay, make sure you have to bring this book. Okay, so let's learn together. Okay, all right, everyone, repeat after me. 3, 2, 1. The driver is in the car. Okay, that's right. Okay, the second one is the taxi is in front of the hotel. Okay, that's right. Next, number 3, we have the restaurant. Remember, not the restaurant, but the restaurant. Okay, I'll repeat once again. The restaurant is between the hotel and the bank. Okay, that's right. Next, we have the kid is near the supermarket. Okay, I'll repeat once again. The kid is near the supermarket. Next, we have the students are at school. Okay, that's right. Next, we have the post office is next to the school. For the last one, we have the hotel is on the corner. Okay, so this is the meaning of each number. Number 1, the driver is in the car. Do you know the meaning of that sentence? Yes, that's right. Supir ada di dalam mobil. Okay. The next one we have the bank is opposite to the supermarket. Ada yang tahu artinya? Okay, artinya adalah bank ada di seberang supermarket. Okay, sebelumnya kita kelewatan satu nomor ya. Okay, yang kelewatan adalah the taxi is in front of the hotel. Artinya, taksi ada di depan hotel. Okay. Next, we have the restaurant is between the hotel and the bank. Restoran ada di antara hotel dan bank. Okay. So, the next one we have the kid is near to the supermarket. Ya, the kid, anak itu is near the supermarket. Berada di dekat supermarket. Ya. Okay. Next we have the students are at school. Murid-murid ada di sekolah. Ya, selanjutnya kita punya the post office is next to the school. Kantor pos ada di sebelah sekolah. Ya. Selanjutnya kita punya the hotel is on the corner. Itu artinya hotel ada di pojok kanan. Oke. Ya. So, from all the sentences, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 words that states about direction. Jadi, di kalimat ini, di kalimat-kalimat yang tadi sudah kita pelajari barusan, yang kita sebutkan, kita dapat kata yang menunjukkan arah dari suatu tempat. Yaitu ada berapa? Ada 8. Okay? The first one is in. In artinya di dalam, bisa juga diartikan di sih, tapi cuma biasanya diartikannya di dalam. Oke, the second one we have in front of. In front of itu apakah artinya? In front of artinya di depan. Oke, ya. Oke, selanjutnya yang ketiga kita punya opposite to. Opposite to itu artinya di seberang, ya, di seberang. Apa perbedaan antara di sebelah dengan di seberang? Nanti saya jelaskan. Oke. Selanjutnya kita punya between. Between. Between itu artinya di antara. Oke. Next kita punya near. Bisa dilihat selanjutnya adalah near. Near di sini artinya adalah dekat. Ya. Dekat. Deketan. Enggak gitu juga sih. Oke, next. Selanjutnya kita punya at. At itu bisa diartikan di, gitu ya. Next we have next to. Next to itu artinya di sebelah. Ya, saya jelaskan sekalian bagaimana itu perbedaan antara next to dengan opposite, ya. Jadi kalau opposite itu seperti kalau kita punya buku deh ya. Ini buku. Ini buku 1, buku 2. Nah, kita umpamakan buku ini tempat ya. Kita umpamakan buku ini hotel. And kita umpamakan ini adalah bank. Jadi ini adalah bangunan. Ini buku, ini bank. Nah, di tengah-tengah itu ada jalan. Sehingga dua ini hadap-hadapan. Nah, itu artinya mereka berseberangan. Tetapi kalau mereka itu ini misalnya di depan ada jalan ya. Gitu, jalan. Terus ini di sini ini bank, ini restoran. Maka ini namanya bersebelahan. Kalau tadi berseberangan, karena apa berseberangan? Karena dipisahkan oleh jalan. Oke, ya seperti itu penjelasannya. Oke, next we have on the corner. On the corner means di pojokan atau berada di pojok. The hotel is on the corner. Itu berarti hotel ada di pojok. Oke, ya. Oke, so next, I would like you to open page 174. Sekarang, coba kalian buka halaman 174. Oke? Now, open page 174. Oke? Ya. Oke, jadi 174 itu di bagian atas itu ada gambar, ya, ada denah. Oke? Ada gambar, ada denah. Yang mana di situ disebutkan ada kelas 5, kelas 3, kelas 8, kelas 1, hall, library, gym, canteen, and etc. Okay, dan lain sebagainya. Okay, so your job is you have to answer my question based on the picture. Kalian harus menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan saya berdasarkan gambar denah yang ada di halaman 174 tersebut. Oke. Number 1. Silahkan dijawab. Number 1. Where is class 5? I'll repeat once again. Where is class 5? Number 2. Where is class 6? I'll repeat once again. Where is class 6? Okay. Number 3. Where is headmaster office? I'll read it once again. Where is headmaster office? Okay, next, number 4. Where is class 4? Where is class 4? Alright, next. Number 5. Where is class 3? Where is class 3? Alright, next. Number 6. Where is the library? Where is the library? Alright, number 6. Where is the canteen? Where is the canteen? I mean, this is number 7, not number 6. Number 7. Where is the canteen? Okay. Next, number 8, we have where is the teacher room? Okay. Where is the teacher room? Number 9. Where is class 1? Where is class 1? And next, for the finale, we have where is the gym? Where is the gym? Okay. Okay, that's my question to you. Okay, so you have to write down and you have to send it to my email at ersadewana@gmail.com. Oke, itu adalah tugas dari saya, dari Pak Ersa. Oke, dan kalian harus mengerjakannya sendiri di rumah. Setelah kalian mengerjakan, coba kirimkan jawaban kalian. Kirimkan jawaban kalian di email Bapak yang ada di www.ersadewana@gmail.com atau ersadewana@gmail.com gitu aja. Oke? Silahkan kalian sertakan nama, kalian sertakan kelas, kalian sertakan jawabannya. Oh ya, untuk jawabannya yang lengkap ya Kak. Jadi nggak boleh ketika misalnya nomor 1 itu kan pertanyaannya seperti ini. Where is class 5? Kalian jawab, kalian coba jawab misalnya opposite of class 7, misalnya seperti itu. Tidak boleh ya. Jadi where is class 5? Misalnya seperti itu. Kalian harus jawab class 5 is in bla 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 of apa gitu ya. Jadi nggak boleh langsung dijawab kayak gitu. Kan kesannya nggak bagus banget. Oke, ya. Oke, thanks for your attention. Oke, I'm sorry if I have any mistake. And for the finale, I'd like to say you have to be careful for your health, and you have to keep wash your hands so you are defend from coronavirus. Okay, stay healthy, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.